Okay, I just want us to know this because after the arrest of PM Samanepa, many people failed to understand the reason why some people signed petition. One of the reasons was that they claimed that PM is one that causing insecurity. In fact, he was the one commanding Biafran Liberation Army to defend our land and fight against invaders, against insurgency. That people are going through a lot in our land is because of him. That Nigerian soldiers burning markets is because of him. That some houses are being attacked by Nigerian security forces is because of him. Some actually said that he is the one that piloting the, commanding and or facilitating the kidnapping going on in our land. They use all manner of excuses simply because they want to do and undo. And those things is not hidden because we know that it's not true. But they want to, like they said, give a dog a bad name for you to kill the dog. So they use all manner of excuses to sign the petition and attack PM. And most of them are Igbo Biafrans. And not only that, the Igbo Biafrans, of course, other tribes are doing their own, pushing from their end as well. Everything they did was to make sure they silence him, they remove him, they do all manner of nonsense, thinking that that's the best way to. I don't know what the intention is because to me, I believe that most of them that are doing that because they don't expect PM to be who he is. They want to control him. Then some of them actually want to be like him. They want to control. They want to be the leader. Whenever they say something, everybody will listen, but they fail to understand that Nogara Sinachi, to be a leader is not something that you can force on people. That is why somebody like me, I am kind of, distancing myself from Nkere. Not because I have any hatred, I have said this many times, but because you cannot force yourself on people, thinking that that's how to, be a good leader, or you want people to start, to be afraid of you or something like that. PM has proven that he is a listening leader. Someone who can tell you, something, and he's willing to listen to you as well. So why I'm bringing all these videos that you are watching now is because after the arrest of Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, the Biafran Liberation Army did not slack back, or they did not, stop doing what they normally do. And for you to understand that PM is not the problem, that these are, will of the people. Look at it at home. After the arrest, did he stop? The answer is no. In fact, some of them, actually not even some of them, all of them, especially those from DOS, one of the argument was that he is the one, forcing sit at home. Whereas we all know that nobody forces sit at home. In fact, when we are saying that, some people actually believe that you are just, promoting propaganda, like some of them are still saying today. When you tell them the truth, they have to twist it and to accuse you, trying to make you feel like you don't know what you're saying. But at the end of it all, they'll still come back to the same topic, the same thing that we have said. Look at what is going on now, compared to what has happened. When they're claiming that PM is one causing sit at home, he's forcing it and blah blah blah. We know that those who claiming that he's one that forces it at home, they are the one actually forces it at home. Since the arrest, have you seen anybody chasing you, any burning vehicle, attacking anybody? No. Why? Because DOS they are the one that was doing that, they are stopped. Yes, you may have other criminal gang that have something to do, of course, to actually label. Because like just told you, everybody are pushing from their end, from every corner, just to label PM a bad, as a bad man. That is why some of them that sign petition don't even understand what they were doing. But now it is not getting clear because our land did not get better as after the arrest of PM. In fact, some of them don't even know how to start calling for his release because they have sold their hand in the dirty business. But God, in His infinite mercy, will set PM, free, because God will, make sure that He put them in shame, which they deserve. To be honest with you, PM is not a violent person, unless if you don't pay attention to what he's doing. Those of us that are not close to him, but you can see the way that he talk, the way he address issue, you know that he's not the kind of person that keep marriage, like to, nursing hatred or any anger about anybody. No, He's a free person, very, very liberal in what he do. But you know, everybody that I didn't make any, I didn't me appreciate. But God will know how to reward everybody. So what I'm trying to say is that after the arrest of PM from January, even December, January, things were still getting better, until Oginkere begin to make his intention known to the whole world. Then that's a long story, which I'm not gonna start telling you here because most of us already know what happened. He told them not to do it because they see him as a leader. I don't know why. I don't. Some people say that he bribed them. I don't have any evidence, but whatever happened happened. And Ogenkere, started telling them what to do, and they started listening to Ogenkere. By so doing, they slowed down. Some of the, you may say they end defending our land and everything. And Asandobo and some governors in our land decided to take the advantage to, a kind of revenge, or I don't know, maybe attack and fight people. Now we have lost many people. Ordinarily, we're not supposed to lose those people, but it has happened. It has happened. Now, for you to understand what I said is not for fabricated story, let us watch these few clips, okay, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about it. These are Biafran Liberation Army, what they have done before Nkere told them to stop, and now that they have resumed activities from, because they have now working with COS, which some of them are still doubting, but time will tell. But just watch this clip and tell me what you think about it. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.
Yamen. Siam. Pale de PDC. Siam. Pai Siam. Siam. February 9th, this Sunday. Siam. Yamen don't work today. Blood money. Aqua government. Siam. Because they pass of the Amotanka, they come. The Amotanka have the second Ababu Muchuko Kikabiama. Here, Chapas. More than make the dolly and Mamma Tanka Mahawa. Ndara. I dey wait for now. Even this one at the beginning of my work. Hope I go catch you one day. Abi. May no worry. I go.
Famosa, you get a and ba. Yeah, but that January 19th, and that I how I can have more Biafra can you can pa. Baba is 2 hours tank condemn go in there. I was in pa. Opu go to left and pa. F.I.M. pa. If I lie here, we not chawara. Oji hacha. Pache give it then, I can have we launch. Yeah, what I quit we are lampa. And then pa, or buy lot of all handed on pa. Power goes at it. Your men are good to go, pa. Take it and pa. Bite, yeah, I make question, pa. If I dem pa, I know for ma. Pamosaga, aka Andy.
Nishimansa. So I confirm on I'm going to busy lawyer that thing. You watch, I got on Jenny, I confirm good in Jenny, I good in. Jenny going to buy the Gunde Behoob. I believe no got caught us. Because here, okay, I'm going to she don't know she busy lawyer. Say what check out the chain. Low fear got this side. Then cause I got here. The Nelunga who she got. The Nelunga who she got who she busy lawyer. See what I'm more busy at the thing. I'm busy at the thing here. You watch, you got who the channel front. Who the channel got front. Meaning that not the channel was already there. I got see front again. So here I will see the ends. Then now I'm going to busy look this side. Obviously, look around. You can go on a busy law. You can't business go to the chain.
By Moisa. By here, we can do no bad among from Bodo Pit. Manoku, Kiadramoku, Manto Habarani or Damoku. I would acquire by Oji releasing her. Makatuko Kabia must load you cook Lisian. So I are here. Nobody am an oku, other am an oku. Man, I believe Chuko Kabia Manahanyama. About Lachinako Kabia must log out dear. n'isi ụmụ ya, and ọ ga-adịzi irele isi our enemies. Ọ ya ka nsị ka ngosi gị nna Moise ha target na gbapụ ya n'etiti nga ụmụ ya nọ, mana o megharị ha ahụ, and anyị mana ntụ osi ji emegharị ahụ lọ ya adịkwa irele isi ha. Ya ka nsị ka mmenye vidiyo n'ụtụtụ a ka ngosi gị lọ ihe anyị fụrụ n'ụtụtụ a. Moise